The Royal Rascal, starring Don Lockwood and Lena Lamont. I can't believe we're actually here, seeing Don Lockwood in the flesh.
I just saw Pilots. It could be them.
Folks, it's that lovely young star, Zelda Zanders.
Hello, Laura. It's swell to be here. I love my pal Lena. She and Don make such a dreamy pair. I can't wait to see their new picture. I think I see another car. Is it that? Can they go get a fate? Oh, it's just Cosmo Brown. Who's that? Cosmo Brown. He's Don Lockwood's best friend.
Hello, Dora. It's great to be here tonight.
Oh, here they are, ladies and gentlemen, the stars of tonight's picture. Those romantic lovers of the screen, Don Lockwood and Lena Lamont. Congratulations on your new film, you two lovers. Now, tell me confidentially, is it true that wedding bells are soon to chime?
Well, Lena and I have no statement to make at the present time. We're just good friends.
Your story of success is an inspiration to people all over the world. Won't you tell us how it all began?
Well, any story of my career would have to begin with my lifelong friend, Cosmo Brown. We were kids together, grew up together, worked together. Nobody's got that much money.
What's wrong with the way I talk? Am I dumb or something?
No, it's just that Don has had so much more experience.
Oh my. Look at the time. You better get going. Right, I don't want to be late to my own party.
Better go in separate cars to break up the mob. Come on, Lena, you can have Selma and me.
Come on, Molly. We'll see Dawn soon. Ta-ta, Donnie. See you soon. Ta-ta, Donnie. See you soon.
I'm gonna go get my car out. I'll be right back. or at the pictures.
Why, you're John Lockwood.
In the flesh. Now, I'd very much like to know whose hospitality I'm enjoying.
Selden, Captain Selden.
I'm awfully sorry for frightening you before, Miss Selden. I was getting a little bit too much love from my adoring fans.
I'm frankly sorry for mistaking me for a criminal, but it's understandable under the circumstances. I knew I'd seen your face somewhere before.
Which of my pictures have you seen?
I don't remember. I saw one once, though I don't go to the movies much. If you've seen one, you've seen them all.
Oh, and what's your lofty position in life that lets you sneer at my humble profession?
Well, I'm an actress on stage. I'm not 19 yet, but I will be. I'm going to New York.
Oh, you're going to New York, and then one day we'll all hear about you. You can let me out here, Miss Selden.
All right, kids, listen up. Thanks for auditioning for Monumental's new pictures of Julie and Cavalier, starring Lockwood and Lamont. Congratulations, you'll be playing the ladies of the royal court.
Ladies, please come this way so I can get you fitted for your costumes.
Can you believe it? We actually get to be in a movie. And not just any movies. A Lockwood and Lamont? What a dream. If only Kathy was here, where could she be? Hi, Miss Lamont. It's an honor to be working with you.
Watch it, kid. Lena doesn't associate with the riffraff. Face it, kids. You're basically just moving scenery.
You know what, Zelda? We might not be much in this film, but just you wait.
Oh, yeah?
Well, we've got a lot of talent to show.
Yeah, one day we'll be dancing circles around Lena.
Don't worry, Don. She's just the first date that hasn't fallen for your life since you were 4. Come on, snap out of it. You're Don Lockwood, aren't you? And what's the first thing you should know? The show must go on! Make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My dad's an actor, my son. What be a comical one?
They'll be standing in line for the gold honky tonk smoking shines.
Or you could study Shakespeare and be quite elite. Or you could charm the critics and have nothing to lose.
And a couple of words that you need.
Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Make 'em laugh. Don't you know all the good ones to laugh?
My grandpa said a lot of dumb joke. But take a fall, what a walk with a scene. Sort of like attending her adjustable face. You giggle till they're giggling all over the place.
And then you take your drink because you're kind of a thing. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh.
Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh?
My dad. After my son. Must be a comical one.
You can study Shakespeare and be kind and read. And you can charm the critics and have nothing to eat. Just slip on a banana peel the words that you read. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Make 'em laugh. Don't you know all the world wants to laugh?
Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh.
You can stop them once.
All right,
Sonic is screaming for more talking pictures.
Aw, she's a freak.
Well, we're about to have such a freak in our studio. We're getting the place wired for sound. We're going to turn the Julie Cavalier into a talking picture.
But we don't know anything about this guy.
What's there to know? It's a picture. Do what you always do. Just start talking. It'll be great. Lamont and Lockwood, they talk.
Well, of course we talk. Doesn't everybody?
Am I too late for the auditions?
Kathy, what are you doing here?
T-2, round toe. Now you try. So repeat after me, and I can't stand it.
And I can't stand him.
Can't.
Can't.
Alright, remember, you're the ladies of the royal court. You're trying to cheer up the Duchess.
But make sure you speak good and loud so the mic can pick you up.
We can't hear a word you're saying unless you speak into the mic.
Where's the mic again? I know.
It's in the bush. All right, everyone, quiet on set. I'm going to the sound booth. Roll.
Future, milady.
Yes, why every lady here wishes they were in your pretty shoes. But I'm betrothed to the Baron, and I can't stand him. Cut. Dexter, we're only getting every other word. They have to talk in the bush.
Oh, she's swell. Phoebe, can you spare the mic in the corner?
Now remember, Miss Lamont, round toes.
Now I'm picking up her heartbeat.
Do I believe this movie will stand up to the jazz singer? I believe the Julie Cavalier will be the most successful talking picture yet. Quiet. On. Set.
We're ruined. Completely ruined.
Come on, it wasn't that bad.
We got laughed out of the theater.
I heard someone say they were never going to see a Lockwood and Lamont film again.
Sorry, Don.
Well, there's got to be something we can do.
Hey, at least me and mine.
That's it. Clarice, you thinking what I'm thinking?
Turn the Julie Cavalier into a musical.
You know, 2 weeks until it opens. We'll rework the sound issues, had a couple of song and dance numbers.
And hot dog. We call it the Dancing Cavalier.
This is it, our lucky day, March 23rd. The day we saved our careers forever.
March 22nd. It's 1:30 in the morning.
And what a lovely morning. Good morning, we've got the whole night through. Good morning to you. Good morning, it's great to celebrate. Good morning to you.
When the band began to play, the stars were shining bright. Now the milkman's on his way, and it's too late to say goodnight. So good morning, sunbeams will soon smile through. Good morning to you and you and you and you. Good morning, we've got the whole night through. Good morning to you.
In the morning, it's great to stay up late. Good morning to you.
When we left the movie show, the future wasn't bright. But came the dawn, the show was on, I want to say goodnight.
So good morning, rainbow shining through. Good morning to you.
I think there's one thing we're all forgetting.
Good morning, rainbows are shining through. Good morning to you.
I can't let you do that, Kathy. That'll ruin your career.
No, how do you all? The dueling cavalier. Dancing cavalier.
Woo, yes, thank you.
You better get going.
You're gonna need some umbrellas. It's raining cats and dogs out there.
I'm lost and found, Lord of the town. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love.
Let's storm and chase everyone from their place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'm singing and dancing in the rain. Come on with the rain, I'm a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'll sing and dancing in the rain.
Well, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. The night we've all been waiting for is coming to an end. And what a fabulous response from the audience. Everyone was spectacular, but Miss Lamont stole the screen with her angelic voice.
I told you, Lena, it wasn't your voice. They dubbed this dame in for you.
Well, if they like it so much, she's gonna have to keep on doing it.
She'll never agree to that.
I'll just put it in my new contract. If IRF doesn't like it, I'll sue.
Lena, the audience is screaming for you to sing for them.
But she can't sing.
Go on, Lena. We'll set up a microphone for Kathy behind the curtain. Trust me, Kathy.
Oh yes, Miss Lamont, please, won't you grace us with a live performance?
Yes. I'll be singing, Singing in the Rain.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm happier than
I give you the real star of this show, Kathy Sullivan. What glorious figure.